Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to disable push notifications in the Candy Crush game app. If you find constant notifications distracting or want to focus on your gameplay without interruptions, this guide will help you turn them off easily and quickly. First, locate the Candy Crush app on your device. Once you have found the app, press and hold the app icon for a few seconds until a menu appears. Next, tap on App Info from the menu. Then, look for the Manage Notifications option and tap on it. Here, you will see a toggle labeled Allow Notifications. Finally, turn off the Allow Notifications toggle. This action will stop Candy Crush from sending push notifications to your device. You can now enjoy the game without being interrupted by alerts, reminders, or promotional messages. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.